क्लास 8 साइंस का लेसन नंबर 7 कंजर्वेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, डिस्कस द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन ऑन द फॉलोइंग। आंसर ई है अर्थ। Due to deforestation, the natural habitat of wild animals and plants is disturbed. Various cycles on earth like water, oxygen, carbon dioxide are disturbed. Chances of drought, floods, desertification increase. Deforestation leads to increase in the level of carbon dioxide on the earth. It will lead to global warming. F is the next generation. Deforestation will result into many challenges to the next generation in the form of shortage of water, droughts, flash floods. Many forest produce will not be available food, wood and many medicines. Chances of desertification increase. The next generation will not be able to see variety of flora and fauna and will not enjoy the clean environment as the level of poisonous gases in the atmosphere will increase. अभी आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए। If you like our video, please share and subscribe our channel.